Hello. So I'm going to show you how to get to all the amazing resources in a VO's Journey Elite Academy. So make sure that you go to, well, if you want to subscribe to the email list, you can. I'm just going to close you down. Make sure that you go to avosjourney.com, which is in the address bar, avosjourney.com. And then make sure that you are logged in. You can tell that you're logged in by this little circle over here on the right-hand side. Mine has my picture because I've uploaded my picture to it, but yours may not. If it doesn't, if you haven't uploaded your picture, it'll just have like your initials. But just make sure you're logged in. If you're not, there's a little link over here on the right side that says log in. Mine is not activated because I'm logged in, but make sure you're logged in. And then once you're logged in, go over to the left, My Library, and just click on that. So in your library, this will have all of the courses that you have purchased through a VO's Journey. And so all of my courses that I've done, I'm actually going to go to the last page. And at the very end, you should see a VO's Journey membership lounge. So just keep kind of like scrolling through your courses. Yours may be at the top, yours may be at the bottom, just kind of like however it worked out. But you want to get to a VO's Journey membership lounge. Just click on it. And in here, just kind of scroll down, you will have lots and lots and lots of resources. One thing I do want to show you is if you scroll down kind of like to the middle, you'll see archives. And in the archives is where you can find all of the replays of all of the classes. And so like here's all of my classes. And mine are all sequential, so you'll see like basically like 1 through 20. But you'll also see more, like because I wasn't always this organized. So for example, I've got a whole bunch in here, you know, from way back, I think like, well, September, yeah. So just, you know, take a look at any of them that you want to. Also, the other teachers have replays in their classes as well. So I'm going to go back and back. And you can see Kat's classes. You can see Don and Donnie's classes, Anthony's marketing classes, Angela's, etc., etc., etc. So these are all great classes to watch. However, there's more. I'm going to go back. And you will notice that right here, kind of like 1, 2, 3, 4 down, are called reference files. And these are some really great things in here. So click on reference files. And in here, you've got marketing references, a whole bunch of files that will help you with your marketing because, hey, marketing is really important. Templates. And these are just simply like templates that you can use when you submit an ACX audition or an Upwork submission or a people per hour or a cold calling script. Yes, I've used this cold calling script and I'm just going to say cold calling works. You just got to do it. But if you follow this script, it will work. To download any of these reference files, they're just right over here and they're all PDFs. And just simply download, download, download. Let me go back because there's a couple of other things in the references I want to show you. These voice acting references are golden as well. The VO tones right here at the top, the VO tones. This is something that I always tell my students that they need to print out and stick on their wall in their studio or their blanket fort, whatever they have. But these are really great things to look at. I look at my tones every day because I audition sometimes, and a lot of times I'll get work in from people and they don't really tell me like how I'm supposed to deliver the voiceover project. And so a lot of times I'll just look at my tones and say, well, what makes sense? Should I do it in an authoritative tone, conversational tone, etc.? So I do recommend that you print out your tones. And there's also a phonetic chart, expressive chart. Lots of good stuff in here. I'm going to go back. And then there's also some vocal warm-ups. So lots of really, really great things in here. Poke around, see what's in here. When you've paid your membership for VO's Journey Elite Academy, there's a lot of stuff in here. So take some time to look around and see what you would like. So that is it. Email me if you have any questions. My email address is on the screen. Thanks so much. I'll see you later. Bye.